Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for TCL Tab 10s. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, try finding Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no game that we can download right here. So to fix this, go back, click on your profile icon, scroll down and locate the settings. Now scroll down again, find the family, open parental controls, and here you can either disable parental controls entirely by typing in your PIN right here, or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code and click OK. Increase PG to at least 16 and save the settings. Now make sure that you save them, because otherwise it won't work. Now let's go back, find Call of Duty again, and it's right here, and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.